Welcome to the CBS 4 Marketplace.
Well, we are here today with Darren Andrews. He's the clinic director for PAI. And today is a special treat. We're actually here inside of the Q95 studios where we're going to meet the one and only Don Stuck. And Don is known for his long hair. So how did you guys achieve that?
Yeah, we did multi-unit hair grafting here, which is a trademark hair transplant, but we also took a global approach. So keeping what you've got and putting back what you've lost. The multi-unit hair grafting puts back what you've lost. PRP, laser hair therapy, keep what you've got. There's your combined long-term approach.
Don Stuck on Q95 in the studio.
Amazing.
You guys are invading my studio. Thank you.
So how did this all come about?
I watched my friend Gunnar, who I've been on the air with here at Q95 for, well, since 1990, and he had the procedure done through Darren and PAI. His growth and process was amazing over the first few months, and after a year, he's got his hair back, and then Darren comes in. I meet Darren. Darren's looking at my forehead. I knew I was in for it. We went in and talked about it, and I truly believe in the process, watching it happen and unfold. And
yeah, and you're not going to put your name behind just anything either.
No, I've endorsed so many things over the years. I could mention the products, but we probably don't want to. But I don't do it if it's not something I believe in.
So Darren, what separates you from other clinics?
Yeah, great question, Heather. We're one of two facilities in the entire country that offer ARTAS robotic FUE and multi-unit hair grafting. Guaranteed natural results, global approach to hair restoration.
And you can actually see Don's entire process. Just check them out at WeGrowHairIndy.com and look at Don's VIP page. It shows his entire hair restoration process from start to finish.